everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we want to make the most delicious carrot cake. Let's go for ingredients. 1 cup of carrot or 150 grams of carrot. 11 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 5 tablespoons of butter. 45 tablespoons of jaggery. You can use 8 tablespoons of sugar. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of small pieces of walnut. Half tablespoon of raisin. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix the jaggery and make it cream. My friends, I two eggs with the butter and put the cream that we made inside the bowl. My friend, mix it well till the color change. Add the vanilla. My friends, add the carrot. And mix it slowly. We add the cinnamon powder and the baking powder inside the flour. My different mix it well and add it into the ingredients. My different, now we can mix it. Now it's time to add the raisin and the walnut. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes. My different, pour it in the pan. My different, the butter is ready to go inside the oven. Let it bake for 30 minutes. My different, the carrot cake is ready. Hooray! Let's taste the cake. My friend, let's try it together. That was super duper yummy. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell. Bye. Mwah.